Learning Technologies Project, implementation of a one-to-one technology program using Chromebooks. Welcome, my name is Benjamin and I will be hosting this presentation. Agenda for today. We'll define the term change management. We'll introduce the Learning Technology Project and define the term one-to-one. We'll discuss the education system along with the learners and teachers. And lastly, we will discuss the application of the stages of leading change as proposed by John Cotter. Change management. As defined by Barkey and Antonio, change management is a term used to describe any action taken to smoothly transition a business process encompassing an individual or group from a current state to a future desired state of being. The Learning Technology Project. This is a learning technology initiative that will explore the implementation of a one-to-one technology integration program using Chromebooks at the XWY Community College Public Safety Academies. Currently, upon entering the academy, students receive textbooks and other printed materials that they will use throughout the academy. Implementing the one-to-one technological program, therefore, is an opportunity to introduce technology in digital tools into the classroom to enhance instruction, accessibility of materials and documents, communication among peers, and instructions and further participation. One-to-one. The term one-to-one, as defined by the Glossary of Education, is applied to programs that provide all students in a school, district, or state with their own laptop, notebook, tablet computer, or other mobile computing device. One-to-one refers to one computer for every student. The education system. Traditionally, community college in the United States has been given the task to operate and administer training to candidates that would like to obtain certification in public safety, such as local municipal law enforcement and corrections officers. The learners are individuals that are seeking career entry-level jobs in the field of public safety. These students have been hired and selected throughout a rigorous and arduous employment selection process. The teachers. Most of the instructors that teach subjects at public safety academies are required to have a certification from their respective states and training commissions. The 8-stage process. Known as the 8-stage process, Cotter proposed the following stages to be followed during implementation of a change management plan. Sense of urgency, create a guiding coalition, develop a vision, communicate the change vision, empower employee broad-based action, generating short-term wins, consolidating gains and producing more changes, and anchoring new approaches in the culture. For this project, we'll concentrate mainly on the following 5 stages: sense of urgency, create a guiding coalition, develop a vision, communicate the change vision, and empower employee broad-based action. sense of urgency. The implementation of Chromebook will prepare learners and teachers with current technological tools, applications, and 21st century digital skills that can be applied in the field and future jobs while creating a modern classroom environment. For instance, the Illinois Learning Technology Purchase Program notes that Chromebooks also work seamlessly with Google Education software, Google Classroom, Google Suite for Education, and even Google consumer applications like Gmail or Google Keep. With these applications and services, students and teachers can work online or offline, syncing with Google servers in a seamless way. Students will become proficient with digital technology skills and the educational capabilities possible with Chromebooks and Google Classroom and Google Consumer Application. The implementation of a one-to-one technological program into the classroom will give the students a level of confidence and knowledge with technology that can be applied in their career beyond the academy. Create a guiding coalition. It is imperative that key individuals are identified from within the organization structure of the educational unit, in this case, the academies, to promote the idea of the implementation of the one-to-one technology program using Chromebooks. As noted by Cotter, putting together the kind of team that can direct a change effort is to find the right membership along the four intrinsic characteristics such as position of power, expertise, credibility, and leadership. Table 1 notes the following. For position of power, we have the deans, associate deans, budget and finance department. Expertise, individuals from information technology, outside vendors, training and development departments, training and officers from various agencies, and instructional designers. Credibility, we have instructors, vendors, computer science faculty, and librarians. And for leadership, campus presidents, dean, and associate deans. Develop a vision. The implementation of the one-to-one technology program using Chromebooks will enhance the ability of the students while attending the academy to effectively learn new digital skills, participate by engaging in discussion boards, share professional documents, conduct research, create presentations, and to learn some of the Google education applications. Google products can be acquired at a low cost and in some instances can be free, along with the Chromebooks when purchased at a large quantity. The newly acquired technological skills will be transferred and applied to real work applications when the newly graduated public safety officers report for duty. In the current digital world and working environment, agencies, regardless of their mission, can survive or be effective without a skilled workforce that has embraced technology for everyday operations. The Chromebook, along with applications, will lead to a more sophisticated and technological skilled workforce. Communicating the change vision. To communicate the change vision, we will explore the following three key elements: repetition, multiple forums, and leadership by example. Key elements: repetition, multiple forums, and leadership by example. The way we communicate the vision and the project that we are trying to introduce will determine how successful we are on implementing and gaining the acceptance and support of internal and external stakeholders. As suggested by Cotter, this project will introduce the following key elements. Repetition. Taking advantage of email and the vast email addresses that are collected and saved, emails will be sent to all the stakeholders with announcements, attachments, links to products, and YouTube videos pertaining to Chromebooks applications. Emails with updates should be sent at least 2 times per week. Multiple forums. Take advantage of departmental and pathway meetings. Invite the directors and chief from various agencies to meetings or visit them at their respective working location. If travel and schedule is a concern, Zoom meetings can facilitate effective means of communications also. Have the instructional design or information technology staff create a dedicated blog showcasing the one-to-one technology program and give access to all stakeholders. Leadership by example. It is crucial that stakeholders note that the management and leadership are on board with the implementation based on the display of emotions and positive reinforcement of the benefit of the program by sharing their own experiences and how the acquisition of new technical skills can be a positive influence for all. Empower employees for broad-based action. Although most instructors, staff, and administrators may be on board and embrace the one-to-one technology program, some may still resist and discourage all efforts to change, and therefore their actions and behavior may cause delays, mistrust, and frustration among peers that ultimately can derail the whole initiative enterprise. Cotter suggests 5 elements that are critical to empowering the employees. Communicate all sensible vision to employees. Make structures compatible with the vision. Provide the training employees need. Align information and personal systems to the vision. Confront supervisors who undercut the changes. Of the 5 elements noted, provide employees need with training and confront supervisors who undercut need changes would be the 2 elements that are relevant to the implementation of the project and selected for further address. Key elements. Provide the training employees need. Training on the use of Chromebooks, along with several applications of the Google Education Platform and other applications, will be made available to all instructors, administrators, and staff. It will be an orientation of the technology program, introduction to Chromebooks, introduction to Google applications, continuing educations, and professional development will be offered. Confront supervisors who undercut need change. It is understood that not everyone in an organization, regardless of their function or service that is provided, are prepared to embrace and promote change. Therefore, it is imperative that at early stages of promotion and advertisement on the new technology, it is necessary to identify the supervisors that are against or prone to disrupt, discourage, and oppose, and provide an opportunity to discuss with them the reasons for their rejections and allow them to express in a friendly atmosphere the reasons for their grievances. To that end, we will set up meetings to address fears, misconceptions, and possible benefits, and during those meetings, allow for these individuals to address grievances and seek suggestions. References. Thank you.